transmite assunto nacional da Task Force, Jorge Alves lá concorda com a linguagem do primeiro-ministro Maria Alcatiri, nebedehan chefe negociador para relação ao Guzmão, se Dr. Maitimor também se rala peregrinação e arraio.
E o programa grande entrevista nebe realize GMTV bebora quinta semana né. Primeiro-ministro Maria Alcatiri declara que a relação ao Guzmão nebe se dá fila o Israel também se rala peregrinação.
Peregrinação chanara ne barai libre o motor de fila mai ne ba tau sumal. Peregrinação ba Meca, peregrinação ba Singapura, peregrinação ba Jakarta, para nós.
Nada halo serviço estado limitação fronteira.
Ato ela rua católica semana ideia para ela de nós. O serviço dela aos 24 sobre 24, 7 sobre 7, 30 sobre 30, 365 dias sobre 365 dias.
Hatampa declaração né secretário-geral transmite assunto nacional que a Task Force Jorge Alves esclarece Sanana Guzmão da Uneho equipa halo viagem para diaspora lá os batir peregrinação mas be halau serviço liga o assunto fronteira marítima no Greater Sunrise. Jorge Alves informa novidade estadia chefe negociador do equipa técnico da Daune e a relação o de lobby para processo de desenvolvimento Greater Sunrise.
Oin, tenho comandante a chefe das Valentim, que era relacionada com o Guzmão, e halo de viagem, e a diaspora, halo de Laos para halo de peregrinação. Mas né, cabe para assunto ida, fronteira marítima, e ao mesmo tempo, podíamos colaborar desenvolvendo o processo de Sunrise. Halo nessa secretária-geral, Task Force de Translação de Interesse Nacional,
Antes ne veteranos na organização OIN Husuba líder carismático que relacionada com os mãos a fila ricas mai pode resolver situação política e arreglaram Maia Guzmão Tito Livio GMN.
Secretário-geral do Partido Fretilin Maria Alcatiri, o suca relacionada com Guzmão, a Tulabele usa caso fronteira marítima sem matéria, campanha e eleição antecipada.
Alcatiri dehan Fretilin latau penghira Sanana Guzmão usa assunto fronteira marítima hanesan matéria campanha eleitoral. Mas be mari uso dia gliu la liga usa sai matéria campanha selain ia seloque debate público.
Para o terrão, agora se ele usa negociação marketing ao uso da língua usa como selain de debate. Ao local debate não só vai ter. Ao terrão dalam barang mau yang orang biasa dilakukan. Ao lah tahu yang masih diberi. Sepak kalau negosiação, kalau acordo. Nada muito tem que tal história, e não tem que assim.
Entretanto, este encontro procedural, Comissão Tribunal Arbitragem e a Palácio Dame Den Haag, Holanda, lorong rua nulu resing walu, Fulan Zuilu, Tinang, Rihung Ruas,
Excellency, the Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Commonwealth of Australia, and His Excellency, the Minister in the Office of the Prime Minister for the Limitation of Borders of the Democratic Republic of Timor-Leste. May I now invite Ambassador Dr. Jensen to sign as Chair of the Commission. I would like now to give the floor to the Secretary General of the United Nations, Luis Tavares.
Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, allow me first of all to say that this is a particularly important day for me. One of my most important motivations in my political career in the past was the self-determination. And it was with an enormous joy that I was present the day East Timor became an independent country. To see this ceremony is like the compliment that and to be here today is an enormous privilege. It fills my heart. This ceremony demonstrates the strength of international law and the effectiveness of resolving disputes through peaceful means. The central element in the Charter of the United Nations, the peaceful settlement of disputes, is also a cornerstone of the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, to which both Australia and Timor-Leste are parties. This event is historic, as it marks the successful conclusion of the first ever conciliation proceedings under Annex 5 to the Convention. I congratulate both parties and the Conciliation Commission for their constructive engagement and relentless efforts to achieve an outcome that is agreeable to both states. And I also congratulate the governments of the Commonwealth of Australia and Timor-Leste for the groundbreaking recourse to this reconciliation mechanism. In doing so, you have furthered the vision of the drafters of the Convention to provide a flexible approach to the resolution of disputes. I trust that your example will inspire other states to consider conciliation as a viable alternative for dispute settlement under the Convention. The agreement being signed today is a further contribution to establishing legal certainty in the world's oceans, an essential condition for stable relations, peace and security, and the achievement of sustainable development. By delimiting the maritime boundary between Australia and Timor-Leste and the Timor Sea, by establishing a special regime for the area comprising the Great Savannah
the dedication and hard work of the members of the two states delegation. It was made possible only by the courage shown by the chief negotiator of Timor-Leste, Xanana Gusmão himself, by the Honorable Bishop, by Bishop Ferreira, by Gavin Miller, by all the members of that team, Thomas, Smith, thank you for your perseverance in this difficult point of this process. And thank you for your courage to take the various points in this process have needed to use technical metaphors in to abstract and discuss these metaphors have included elements of the African and Asian persuasions. Those same metaphors have been driving trade, we have had Singaporean earlier standing cars, we have seen live Buffalo getting wet, and at one point the Timor Sea became a Columbia conservation area. So bear with me one last time. If, as they say, it takes two to tango, then I'm glad that we have found out to organize that. On behalf of the Conciliation Commission, we are proud to be part of this new reality of a fully sovereign Timor-Leste walking hand in hand with Australia to face the challenges of our time. May both states continue to demonstrate the leadership they have, and may other states take inspiration to potentially make use of this conciliation. Thank you.
Thank you, Ambassador. Thanks for the
Secretary General, Commissioners, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. I am pleased to have signed our Maritime Boundary Treaty on behalf of Australia alongside our good friend and neighbour Timor-Leste. I thank the United Nations Secretary General for his presence here today and for his words of encouragement and support. This is an historic day for both our nations. We recognise that it is a particularly important day for Timor-Leste and another step forward in Timor's journey as a sovereign nation. The United Nations is a fitting location for this auspicious landmark event. The UN plays the leading role in a system of international rules and institutions that allow states to coexist peacefully and prosper together. As we said in Australia's Foreign Policy White Paper released late last year, mostly independent role. I also thank the Permanent Court of Arbitration for its role in supporting the Commission and for the hard work of its staff. Since 1899, the Permanent Court of Arbitration has played a crucial, if often understated, role in the international legal framework, helping states and other parties resolve disputes alongside other forms of dispute resolution. Australia is pleased to see the PCA's role strengthened and expanded, and on the
forward to our two countries working together in the future for the advancement and prosperity of our people, nations, and region. Thank you.
This will now conclude our signing ceremony. I thank Your Excellencies and Presidency. Thank you.
Sanana, professor mestre da Revolução e a Ásia Nelar, Amílcar Cabral e a África Neval. Mas, a tu resumo, que Hulu e Neval, Sanana dia A, outro dia A. Untuk dia sanana mate funumos lako. Awar la bele mai bet sasa. Auras kemudian sanana mate funulako.